favorite old school film camera, the Hasselblad 500cm, is also a digital camera. Here's my digital back for this. It's the PHASE ONE P25. It's a bit of an old back, but still produces outstanding image quality. Gives me the best of both worlds. I've got my film back and my digital back. PHASE P25 is definitely an option these days. Very affordable compared to some of the newer backs out there that can run into the, tens of thousands of dollars. So a back like this might cost you a couple of $1,000s used, which is a great buy, and again gives you the best of both worlds on a superb camera like the Hasselblad.